Hi, so I'm really excited to be talking to you about the IBM Storage Solutions. Now, I'm going to give you an opportunity to really think big about your storage and to really think big about your data. And I guess it starts with what a solution should be. Well, we at IBM believe that a solution should be what you want it to be. And what we mean by that is a solution should be flexible to deploy it in a cloud format if that's how you'd like to consume it. A solution should be available to you as an appliance to purchase it that way, which would be a combination of great software stack delivering great value coupled with the very best in hardware. But we also believe it should be available as software as well, and software only as well. So all that great value, leadership, and innovation that we're delivering in appliance format is available in software, so you can take those advantages and apply it against all the assets in your enterprise. Ultimately, we believe that a solution should be improving things in your business. Now, if you've read the news lately, you'll have seen that IBM Storage is very dominant and very heavily featured in the news. And let me share some things that I think should be important to you. We are number one in the flash storage market. By the way, we're number one by a very large margin. We are number one in the software-defined storage platform market as well, and as well by a very large margin. We're number one in solid-state arrays. We have completely, in 2014, refreshed our entire storage portfolio. If you're trying to do things with big data, we've set a new world record for handling massive amounts of data, which are critically important when you try and leverage big data or analytics. And then finally, if you're trying to deploy solutions in a cloud format, we believe we're one of the true and only vendors that are offering true hybrid storage solutions, leveraging software-defined leadership as well as benefits that software provides. The second thing that I think should be important to you is that storage vendor a leader? Are they an innovator? And most importantly, are they investing? So let's talk about some of the investments that we're making. Well, we recently announced a new IBM Spectrum storage portfolio. Now, what we did here is we took our 20 years of patent leadership and took over 700 patents and are applying those patents into that portfolio. Those patents add value. Those patents are transformative to storage. Those patents are cloud and hybrid cloud enabled as well. To add those investments up, we're investing over $1 billion in software-defined storage. Add that to an additional $1 billion in flash investment. That is $2 billion in just software-defined storage and flash alone. Now, we're not stopping there. We announced some new centers of excellence, and these are called the IBM Centers of Innovation and Leadership. And here's what you can get and the value you can get out of these centers. Our research labs can show you leading things that are happening in data and storage right now in real live customers. Examples of that would be Fox Broadcasting. They're leveraging Spectrum Archive to actually leverage objects, images to produce programming. And they're so good at it and so effective with Spectrum Archive that they actually won an Emmy. Now, if you've seen that or seen some of the other things in the research labs, we'll then take you into a system or software briefing center. And here we'll slow it all down. We'll explain these technologies, these advancements in storage and data. We'll give you an opportunity to actually talk to subject matter experts and demonstrate these assets as well. It doesn't stop there, though. We can bring you into flash centers of competencies where we can actually show and use you with tools with you that we can show you advantages and performance advantages with Oracle, with Windows, with AIX and Linux, using some of the very best tools to bring and extract that value out of your data. And then finally, if you need additional help, we've got innovation labs where people are schooled and trained in data and storage that can lend a hand to get that going for you as well. So we're really excited about storage. We're really excited about IBM solutions, and we're really excited to tell you more about that as well.